Hey guys, we're headed to the beach.
We're super excited. We're gonna do lots of fun things.
I said I wish that we could stay here, but I fear our time has come. We can ride out in the darkness, chasing the rising sun. We gotta pack our bags this instant.
So nice out. I feel so calm. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. It's hard to keep my eyes open with this rain. Thank goodness the sun is back out. It's not raining anymore. Look what he found. I can't believe you guys found it.
I was searching and then I found something that was like that is the coolest.
Oh my gosh. What in the heck?
There's two babies and I found an adult while I was trying to put it down.
Okay. Oh my gosh. That's so cool. You just grabbed that up at the same time. What? Thank you for coming with me on this adventure. Kendall, you want to say bye?
Bye.